Tu vuoi, David? Io sempre sulla di video. Great. So as our managing director announced earlier, we have Bastian Schweinsteiger tomorrow on stage. Please don't